I have included both 2018 and 2019 or above version templates. Let me show you how to edit these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel, go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on the plus icon to import templates. Select template and place it to the timeline. Here you can change the main text. Change text color here. Here you can change Rectangle 1 and Rectangle 2 color. Change text position and scale here. You can hide rows according to your need. If you want to use only 2 rows, then you can hide the last 2 rows. That's it. Thanks for watching.